Hello, my dear students of class 6. Today I am discussing the seventh chapter of your textbook. The name of the chapter is Weather and Climate. First of all, you have to know what is weather and also what is climate. So, what is weather? The answer is weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. Okay, weather is the condition of the atmosphere. Weather actually is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. And what is climate? Climate is the long term average of weather, typically averaged over a period of 30 to 35 years. Okay, so climate is a long term average of weather over a period of 30 to 35 years. The condition of temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, cloud cover, in a precipitation in a particular place at a particular time is called weather. This is actually the definition of weather. The weather keeps changing from day to day and can even change within a few hours. So this is actually the features of weather. The weather keeps changing from day to day and can even change within a few hours. But within a few hours, weather can change. And the change from day to day is also the characteristics of weather. And climate, the climate of a region is the average weather condition over a span of 30 to 35 years. Span of 30 to 35 years. The climate of a region remains almost the same for years together. Example, climate of West Bengal is tropical monsoon climate. This is very important. What is the climate of West Bengal? Is tropical monsoon type. Why? You may have noticed that in our state 7 to 8 months out of 12 are warm, and 3 to 4 months among these warm months experience rain. It is usually warm and humid in West Bengal. So this particular type of warm and wet climate in our country is called tropical monsoon climate. So that's why West Bengal is called the tropical monsoon type, tropical monsoon climate. This is actually the answer, because the climate of West Bengal is the amalgamation of, is the mixture of warm and humid. Warm and cold. 3 or 4 months experience rain, actually cold weather, there are people's cold weather, and 7 and 8 months warm. So it's a mixture of, it's an amalgamation of cold and warm, and also experience rain. So that is why this particular type of warm and wet climate in our country is called tropical monsoon climate. The best example of tropical monsoon climate is West Bengal. Climate of West Bengal is tropical monsoon type. Okay. Then, why are some places cold throughout the year? Then answer. The condition of the atmosphere through a day at a particular place denotes the weather of the day, particularly temperature and rainfall. So the condition of the atmosphere through a day, a particular place, denotes the weather of the day. Particularly temperature, it actually depends on temperature, it actually depends on rainfall. If we keep record of the day weather through 7 days in a week, we can learn about the weekly weather condition. We get to learn about the monthly weather from the weekly records and the annual weather from 12 successive monthly records. So station Kolkata. So first row is temperature, then rainfall, and 12 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So temperature in the month of January, or in January, 18, February 22, March 27, April 32, May 35, June 31, July 30, August 29, September 28, October 27, November 24, and December 20. Okay, and what is the annual average, or what will be the annual average at from January to December, from 18 to 20, 18 plus 22 plus 27 plus 32 plus 35 plus 31 plus 30 plus 29 and plus 28 plus 27 plus 24 plus 20, and then you have to divide by 12 months. Divide by 12, then you will get the annual average. So similarly you can try it, rainfall in the same manner. Okay, next, very important thing is that what is the difference between weather and climate. What is weather and what is climate? I have already mentioned it. So weather, the state of different atmospheric elements in a particular place and time, is weather. And what is average? The average state of weather of a region for a period of 30 to 35 hours. Actually, over a period of 30 and 35 hours, the average state of weather is called climate. So first point is, and second point is, weather changes within a space of days or even hours. So weather keeps changing from day to day and even within a few hours, and climate does not change every day. Climate does not change every day. Why? Because it is a period of 30 to 35 hours, so it is impossible to change. So third difference is, weather differences may be found within a small area, but climate changes across a vast region. So weather differences may be found within a small area. Actually its limitation for a small area, but climate changes across a vast region. But the expansion of climates across a vast region. Okay, so that's all. In my next class, I will start the major elements of weather and climate. Okay, thank you very much.